quite as sensational as flying.
Thrilling, fulfilling, and higher educational as flying.
It's inspirational
And recreational
trying. Way, way up there in midair to be touching the sky.
Which I guess is why there is no feeling. It's quite like the feeling of flying.
Bumping your head on the ceiling of what's up above. It's so appealing, I'm reeling of my day to flying. Flying, I love. Way, way up there in midair, me touching the sky. Flying,
So,
I'm not sure, but it's getting louder.
look up, Charlie. It's a fan. It's sucking us up. Try to float down.
I can't!
Try, Charlie, try.
I can't!
It's gonna cut us to bits.
They closing it!
Wait. Burping's the answer.
Oh, how I love to burp!
People from Midland to Antwerp.
From John Wayne to Wyatt,
Turns up to chirp.